No, all
Good, thanks, man.
Yeah, hundreds, thank you. A forgotten legend. After over a decade of dust and rust, it is time to bring it back. As Ferdinand Porsche said, if one does not fail at times, then one has not challenged himself. And it all started on Collection Day. A nearly torn off door, faulty brakes, and yet we guided it across the road. Just. Then the real work began. A full nut and bolt restoration. Oh my hat, Roger! This wasn't just a build. Total mayhem, utter devotion, and raw desire. And now, I'm going to show you this journey in just 10 minutes. It started on Collection Day with a crazy yard find. And probably the worst decision I have ever made, but no turning back, I had just bought it. On to the tow truck it went, time to start fresh with a clean slate. Perfect! Out comes the pressure washer, some fresh soap, and a deep scrub down. The first one in 10 years. And now that it's clean, really, how much more does this car need? I will tell you, that guy had no clue what he was getting into. Now, to kick things off with something simple, something that feels like we've achieved something, the interior. It was torn, ripped, and full of who knows what. First up, off come the door cards. Then the seats come out and destined for Roger at Miriam Motor Spares. He's about to bring to life a color that I've dreamed about putting on a rebuild car. Finally making that vision a reality. And here is the result and my reaction to seeing them for the first time. Oh my hat, Roger! What on earth? That is cash. No ways that looks good. This is the exact kind of transformation that makes all of this worth it. Now, onto the body. I didn't just buy a project, I bought a disaster. The car was destroyed, patched up badly, rust all over, and honestly, hardly holding together. This was a way bigger issue than I ever could have anticipated, and the repercussions, terrible. That disaster meant sourcing a completely new shell and working hand in hand with the legends at Vibe Motorsport. Together, we are making this car flawless. First up, sandblasting the car and prepping it for paint. Then came that beautiful deep black with a wild pop of that copper under tray. And accents of gold dusted trim to tie it all together. The result, absolutely out of this world. Tell me what you think. Onto the mags, sent off to be widened for a more aggressive, clean stance. And of course, they got that crazy color treatment too. Here they are, ready to turn heads. And finally, for that engine. If the journey hadn't been wild enough, wait until you hear this.
Anything that could have been broken was, starting with the block.
Huge shout out to Rion in Springs for line boring and cleaning out the block. Cylinder heads cracked and needed serious repair. From there, it was all about new parts, late nights, and grinding to get that engine done. Cleaning, painting, and assembling this absolute beast. Here she is, firing up for the first time in years. Last but certainly not least, the remainder of the interior. A classic steering wheel and a completely refreshed cabin. New roof lining and an insanely cool classic radio fitted with a custom sound system. And a huge shout out to Roger for that one-of-a-kind sub box, custom speaker molds, and a flawless installation. I am beyond proud to sit behind the wheel of this beast. This build was not just about restoring a car. It was about bringing a vision to life with purpose. A purpose to enter the Gas Motor Show 2025 and give it everything we got. A massive, genuine thank you to everyone who played a part in this build. Your help, support, investment, time means the absolute world. To my mom and dad, a huge thank you for your investment, love, and support. This build simply wouldn't be possible without you. To my incredible wife, Shelly Louise Barter, and my amazing son, Hayes Jade Barter, I hope I made both of you proud. To my friends and family, a huge thank you for checking in, for caring, for supporting me in this insane journey. Again, simply not possible without it. To my boy Joe behind the camera for being here late at night as we finish, for flying in from Josie Cozy and making the stream so much better. And here's to the road ahead.